Before proceeding with the installation, configuration, operation, or maintenance of these products, please ensure you have thoroughly reviewed all relevant documentation provided by Balluff and other pertinent sources, including installation guides, configuration manuals, and operational protocols. It is essential for users to adhere strictly to all applicable codes, laws, and safety standards during installation, wiring, adjustment, and operation. Installation, configuration, use, assembly, disassembly, and maintenance of these products must be performed by individuals who have received appropriate training and are fully versed in following the outlined procedures and safety measures. Failure to comply with these prerequisites may result in noncompliance with legal and safety standards. We expressly disclaim any liability or responsibility for damages, whether direct, indirect, special, or consequential, arising from the use or application of the information contained herein. Balluff Inc., in no event, will be held accountable for any damages incurred as a result of using this guide. The content of this guide is intended for illustrative purposes only and does not ensure suitability for specific applications due to the diverse range of variables and requirements in different scenarios. Users are entirely responsible for verifying the applicability and safety of this information for their unique situations. Acceptance and use of this information come with an understanding that any and all risks associated with the installation, configuration, assembly, or use of these products are fully assumed by the user. Please note that this document does not serve as a warranty of any sort, nor does it modify or supplement any valid warranty provided by Balluff Inc. for these products. The information herein supplements the original warranty terms without altering them.
After we have created all the tags, we can start creating a logic to work with the BVS sensor. The basic sequence consists of 3 steps. Step 1. Triggering the sensor so it takes an inspection. After the inspection is finished, the bit get results will be active. Step 2. Perform a get results command by activating the job bit in the output buffer and sending the command 0x03 to byte 1. Step 3. Reset job bit. We can use direct bit access when working with individual bits, for example trigger, and we can use move functions when working with the output headers. Step 1. Trigger inspection. For this, we have to set up the bit 1 of output header 0 and 15. We can confirm that the sensor trigger an inspection by looking at the web user interface. As seen in the screen when the sensor is trigger, we should get inspection number 11. We should also have the bit results available set by the sensor. Step 2. Send command get results to the sensor by setting the job bit and command. The results will populate the input array. In this example, we get the following data. Byte 6, inspection ID. Byte 10, inspection result. Starting from byte 11, value read. Step 3, reset job bit. The last step is to reset the job bit. This will finish the job and will clear the results available bit. For this part of the video, we will do an inspection when a code is not present to see what results we get in the PLC. After triggering the Get Results command, the input buffer is populated with no read result as well as with a 00 in byte 10. This concludes these series of videos. If you have any questions, please contact us at support.us@balluff.com.